Hey guys, this is Mr. Octavio. Today we're going to be discussing appreciating diversity. Diversity, the positive result of people of different backgrounds working together. So our what? Diversity. How? Through our agenda. What is it? Why must we appreciate it? Challenges and solutions. There's a TED Talk you guys can watch on your own as well. We will not do the Get to Know Your World assignment. That's something we would do if we were in class. How come? Because we have a diverse world. We usually have a very diverse classroom. And we need to learn how to work together and embrace and enjoy each other. What is diversity, right? So it's a variety, gathering of different ages, cultures, perspectives, etc. So you can put down one of these examples: background, perspective, appearance, approach, experience, or talent. If the world was just 100 people, there would be 57 Asians, 21 Europeans, 14 North and South Americans, and 8 Africans. 70 people would be non-white, 70 would be non-Christian, 30, your next answer, would be able to read. It's only 30%. 50 would suffer from malnutrition. 80 would live in substandard housing. Only 1 person would have a college education. And 50% of the world wealth would be in the hands of 6 of our 100 people. You can watch the video there. It gives a much deeper explanation. So here, only 6 according to this wheel, right? Only 6 are North American. 5 would speak English. 23 would have no shelter. 13 would have no water. 17 would not be able to read at all. 70 cannot access the internet, and 25 wouldn't have a cell phone out of 100. My job is to take care of you, and your job is to take care of each other. Let's get deep into it. Classroom is a community. And a community, your next answer, is a group of people living in the same place, but also a feeling of fellowship with others. In a community, we have relationships and serve others. So team, a group of people working together to set goals, make decisions, solve problems, and put ideas into action. Community, we belong, need, and affect each other. So why do we work in diverse teams? You can bring your talents and share them every single day. Identify your talents, identify talents of others, and capitalize on everyone's talents. Changing your perceptions and perspectives is important. Learning new approaches to situations, your next answer. Learning, growing from others. Share your experiences with others. Learn to appreciate all types of diversity. If you start a business tomorrow, would you want diversity on your staff? The answer is yes. Bring all your talents. So challenges and solutions, diverse teams, accomplishing your goals together while allowing individual learning and working styles. Examples of challenge and solution are below. Communication styles, different needs, wants, and values based on culture, different means to find solutions, problems, taking longer to unify or come to consensus. Some people are narrow-minded, don't accept others, and people are reluctant to discuss their diversity. So we have to look at studying the culture, hierarchy of needs, comfort and discomfort, make someone the decision maker, the boss, find similarities in results, and care personally. There's our hierarchy of needs pyramid if you don't remember. So pair question we would do in the chat box is, do you believe that we should live in a colorless world, or do you believe we should believe in a world in which we embrace and share our difference? So it'd be colorless versus embracing our differences. All right, there's a TED Talk on culture diversity, the sum of all parts. And again, we're not going to do this assignment, something that we would normally do in class, so don't worry about it today. All right, so make sure you finish your Google form. I hope you guys have a great day.